Yes, good morning students. How are you all? I hope you are good and fine. Fifth class, term 1, social subject. We will continue remaining lesson. Our third lesson is conquering distance. We will explain this in these topics: roadways, railways, waterways. Now we will explain another topic, that is inland waterways. Rivers and canals provide useful waterways. The Rhine River in Western Europe is an important waterways. It passes through many countries and is used for navigation. See, in this area we will useful waterways so much. Europe is an important waterways in Europe country. Similarly, the Danube River, which passes through Central and Southern Eastern Europe, the Chang, Jinga and Hoghe of China, Nile and the Congo in Africa, the Amazon of South America and the Brahmaputra and the Ganga of India are busy waterways. Similarly, some areas will be inland waterways. See, a river is an important inland waterways. Inland means आप लोग समझ रहे होंगे वाटर के ऊपर से. अपन बिफोर वाटरवेज में एक्सप्लेन करें. इनलैंड एक्चुअल तो वाटर के अंदर से, वाटर के बीच में से अपने को ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है, अपन उसमें जा भी सकते. दैट इज द बिजी वाटरवेज. नेक्स्ट आवर एयरवेज. इन 1783 two brothers. In 1783 two brothers, Joseph Michael and Jacques Etienne Montagu-Flair, become the first to travel in a hot air balloon. Become a first hot balloon. He was introduced this first balloon. The first successful flight of a heavier than air mission took place in 1903. फर्स्ट फ्लाइट इंट्रोड्यूस करे कौन? ये जो टू ब्रदर्स हैं, 1903 में फर्स्ट फ्लाइट इंट्रोड्यूस करे 1903 में. Next, people had been practicing with gliders for many years, but the Wright brothers, Orville and Volbuir, were the first to build a plane that made a successful flight. First उन दो टू ब्रदर्स एक प्लेन बनाए, सक्सेसफुल हुए. बट earlier passenger aircraft could carry only about a dozen passengers and had fuel for short journey. For long journeys, aircraft failed with a very light gas began to be used. First time he will successful on plane and passengers also. Next, second time he will failed. Why? Because he will not do properly on that thing. That's why he is fail on this mission. By 1945, much longer aeroplane were being built. Modern aeroplane can carry over 400 passengers in addition to heavy goods and parcels. Now next, another brother will be introduced in 1945, much longer aeroplane, and in this aeroplane 400 passengers will be carry and additional goods also carry in this aeroplane. Most countries in the world today have their own air services for both domestic and international travel. Now in every country having yes, India has its own air services. Air India carries passenger within India and around the world. There are many private airlines as well. Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Thiruvananthapuram and Chennai have international airport besides other cities in India. In these areas own air service will be having in India. Next, helicopters are used all over the world by armed forces and by firefighters and others rescue services. In times of war, floods and droughts, helicopters drop food packets and medicines for people. Yes, helicopters also used overall in our world. Where we will use helicopters? Armed forces, and where some areas will be fire will be there. So that time helicopter will be used by water. In some other places floods will be there and droughts will be there. So that time we will use helicopter to give their foods, to give there we will go on their food items due to their peoples and shelter. They're not having some food, so we will use on that time helicopters. We will give medicines, and aeroplane is also the fastest means of travel. Okay, our lesson is completed. I hope you can understand this lesson. Your homework is, yes, your homework is new words. Write down homework one time in social notebook. Okay, thank you students.